It's October, and that means it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, a time when we all come together so we can help beat this disease. While most of us are aware of breast cancer, we often forget to take the proper steps in order to stay one step ahead of it. I'm blessed that my mom had her breast cancer detected in its early stages. So if you're thinking, what does this have to do with food? Let me share with you the recipe for our Pink Velvet Truffles, which are perfect to bring just about anywhere to help raise awareness for those you care about the most. We start by beating together a container of strawberry-flavored cream cheese with a bit of vanilla. After that's creamy, we slowly add in some powdered sugar. To give this its richness, we stir in some white baking chips that we've melted in the microwave. After it comes together, we shape them into 1-inch balls and roll them in pink, white, or any combo of nonpareils or sprinkles. Let me tell you, these are decadently rich. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our Pink Velvet Truffles as a way to help bring awareness to breast cancer. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, encouraging you to spread the word.
And to get screened.
I'm sure glad my mom did. Now, that's a reason to say, ooh, it's so good.